In this lecture, we'll study De Morgan's theorem considering four variables. De Morgan's theorem states that complement of products is equal to sum of complements. That is, here we are using four variables A, B, C, D. The De Morgan's first theorem states that A, B, C, D whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. Let's prove this. Let this be A variable, B variable, C variable, and this is D variable. We know that there are four variables. It means we have 2 raised to 4 different possible inputs. That is 16 possible inputs from 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, 1. Let us write all possible inputs first. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, not 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1, 1. These are the possible inputs. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 in decimal. So now look at the statement, that is A, B, C, D whole bar. First we'll perform A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is nothing but performing dot operation between all four variables. That is 0 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0 gives 0. Here also 0. We know that it is like a multiplication operation. If any one of the variable is 0, output is 0. It is like a AND operation. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So only for when all the inputs are 1, 1, 1, 1, the output is 1. So now look at the LHS expression, that is A, B, C, D whole bar. Now we'll take complement of A, B, C, D, that is A, B, C, D whole bar. The complement of 0 is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and this is 0. So now concentrate on right hand side, that is A bar. A bar is nothing but complement of A, that is here A is 0, it is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and here are zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Similarly, we'll write B bar, that is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Similarly, we'll write C bar, that is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, and D bar is 1, 0, 1, 0 alternately, 1, 0. Now we'll perform A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. We supposed to add these four values, that is A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. So we know that addition is nothing but logical OR operation. If any one of the input is 1, output is 1. If all the inputs are 0, output is 0. So here it is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So here all the inputs are 0, therefore the output here it is 0. Now we can observe that A, B, C, D whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. So this is A, B, C, D whole bar, that is my LHS, and here is A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar, that is LHS, RHS. Now by comparing these two columns, we can say that LHS is equal to RHS, that is De Morgan's first theorem is proved. De Morgan's second theorem states that A plus B plus C plus D whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar dot C bar dot D. The complement of sum is equal to the product of complements. Let us write all possible inputs first. Let this be A, B, C, D are the variables. We'll write all possible inputs from 0 to 15. That is 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this is 9, this is 10, this is 11, this is 12, this is 13, this is 14, and this is 15. Now let us perform. On left hand side we have A plus B plus C plus D whole bar. We'll take it as, first we'll perform A plus B plus C plus D, that is performing ORing operation between all variables. We know that it's a logical OR operation. The output of logical OR is 1 when any one of the input is 1. So here all the inputs are 0, therefore the output here A plus B plus C plus D is 0. Here it is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So rest all cases it is 1 here. Now we'll take complement of this, that is A plus B plus C plus D whole bar, that is my LHS part. So here we'll get complement of 0 is 1. So rest all are 0. Now we'll take the RHS expression, that is A bar. So first we'll write A bar. A bar is complement of A, that is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Rest all are zeros. Next one is B bar, that is complement of B input, that is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Next one is C bar, that is complement of C, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. And next one is D bar, that is complement of D, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Finally we'll perform the product between A bar, B bar, C bar and D bar. We know that product is nothing but a ANDing operation. The output of AND gate is high only when all the inputs are high. So when all the inputs are 1, 1, 1, 1, its output here it is 1. In rest all cases there is at least 1 0 in each variable, therefore output is 0. Now as per the theorem, it says that a plus b plus c plus d whole bar, that is this is the LHS. This is the LHS and the RHS is a bar dot b bar dot c bar and d bar. Compare this column with this column, both are same. Therefore, De Morgan's theorem for 4 variables is proved.